fit your taxi plate holder, firstly remove your old number plate, which is usually held on by sticky pads. You should have screw holes in your vehicle, and that's what you really want to be using. If you don't, you'll need to drill some holes because you really want to screw these in. So if you offer up the taxi plate holder to the car, and then what you want to do is you want to mark where the holes are going to be. So take your plate and put it on top of the taxi plate holder, turn it over, and then make sure it's centralized. We pre-measured here, we've got 7 centimeters here, 7 here as well, and then we're going to mark where we want to drill our hole, so about there, and then we're going to drill with a drill bit from the back downwards. So we're going to drill using a 6.5mm drill bit to give us a bit of clearance, a bit more room. We're using a pillar drill here. You can use a normal drill, but the pillar drill is much better. It will stop your plate from being cracked. And we're always drilling from behind, so from the reflective side, using a sharp drill bit. So because the holes go through where the digits are, we're going to be using some black screws. Put the plate onto the taxi plate holder and just make sure they line up nicely, and feed the screws through the other end. Then offer up to the car. Make sure it's nice and straight and start to screw in. Then we'll take our taxi plate, we'll offer it up. Make sure it's nice and straight. The holes are already there on most of them. If they're not, or your taxi plate holder doesn't fit correctly, you can always drill some additional holes.